In today's video, we're breaking down how to fix no hot water issues on a Rinnai Tankless water heater. If your unit is running but not delivering hot water, don't guess, use a simple, step-by-step diagnosis to find the real cause fast. When a Rinnai Tankless water heater isn't producing hot water, systematic diagnosis is essential. Start by checking the error code on the control panel. This display is your fastest clue and often points directly to the fault. If there's no error code, move to water flow. Tankless heaters won't activate without enough flow, so confirm the water supply is fully open and clean the inlet filter if it's clogged. Next, check the thermostat setting. If the temperature is set too low or the thermostat is malfunctioning, you may only get lukewarm water or none at all. If flow and temperature settings look correct, the issue is likely flame or ignition related. Verify the gas valve is fully open, inspect gas lines for kinks or damage, and ensure nothing is restricting fuel delivery. If the problem continues, inspect the venting system for blockages, then try a full reset by unplugging the unit for a few minutes. Long-term, regular maintenance is critical. Descaling the heat exchanger prevents mineral buildup, especially in hard water areas, and can dramatically extend the heater's lifespan. If none of these steps restore hot water, stop troubleshooting and call a qualified technician. Gas and ignition issues should always be handled professionally.